In a recent development, MaxDefense Philippines has confirmed that the Philippine Air Force's upcoming procurement of the Bell 412 variant will be none other than the Subaru Bell 412Epx. This marks a significant stride for both the Philippines and Japan, as the two nations collaborate on enhancing their defense capabilities. The Subaru Bell 412Epx finds its roots in the same platform as the Subaru Bell UH-2, which has been designated for delivery to the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force. This shared lineage underscores the technological sophistication and reliability of the aircraft. What sets this procurement apart is that the Philippine Air Force will become only the second military export user of the Subaru Bell 412Epx, following in the footsteps of the Guatemalan Air Force. This attests to the aircraft's growing reputation and its ability to meet the diverse needs of different armed forces. The move also holds significant implications for Japan and Subaru Corporation. Japan's recent relaxation of strict regulations governing the export of military hardware and subsystems has opened doors for expanded international collaboration. The Philippine Air Force's adoption of the Subaru Bell 412Epx not only bolsters Japan's credibility as a defense partner but also reflects Subaru Corporation's determined effort to expand its foothold in the global military export market. While Bell Helicopters remains a key player in the project, Subaru's amplified involvement in this variant is notable. This collaboration showcases the synergistic strengths of both companies, leveraging Bell's experience in helicopter manufacturing and Subaru's engineering prowess.